shit, I gotta... Every time I start recording with a mic, I always be forgetting to clip my backpack for whatever reason. I'm pretty sure that happened in the last video that I used a mic in. Let's clip this up real quick. Alright. So, let's see. Little baby wheelie. So, I am currently at my work. I've just been really wanting to ride, even though I ride into work. So, here I am running to the gas station on break. Yeah, well, got a little bike meet going on over here. So anyways, yep, got the mic working again, if you couldn't tell. It's been a while since I've had a mic. I've gone through a couple media mods and a couple purple pandas. What's this guy doing? So yeah, anyways, gone through a couple of purple panda mics, couple media mods, and I think I finally figured out my issue, so we should be good. But yeah, this is gonna be a really boring video, so don't expect anything too crazy. If you guys are watching this, then that means the mic is working and I did upload it. But yeah, that's about it. Just gonna be cruising to the gas station. Absolutely beautiful out here in Colorado tonight. Perfect temperature and everything. I also wanted to that was nice that I'm not pulling out. I also want to check this mic on the highway for highway speeds to see if it pops and crackles at all. And if this mic works and it's uploaded, the next video I want to try to put out is like a wheelie practice. I am not good at wheelies. I don't know why. I used to be able to wheelie a bicycle all the way down the street growing up. Used to ride a unicycle, so like I'd consider myself to have decent balance, but wheeling a 400-pound bike, you know, it wears on the mental a little bit. You know, it takes some courage to be able to actually say screw it and try to get that wheel up. So I can do, as you saw in the beginning of the video, like I can do little baby power up wheelies in first gear, and I can do tiny little baby clutch ups in second gear, I guess you could say. They're not good at all, but I can get it up, just can't hold it. Let's see, I'll slow down a little bit, see if I can get a little baby one right here. Yeah, see, I can get some little baby ones, but oh, what's going on here? Oh, ambulance. I can't hold them. If you guys got any tips, if any of you ride the R7, I greatly appreciate some help. As you can see, I'm pretty doo-doo at them. But alright, let's see how it sounds on the highway. Definitely need some gas. Were able to hear, I don't know if it was like popping and cracking the whole time. That's kind of what I'm trying to figure out as the sweet spot for this. Oh, I feel bad, man. I missed this wave. Oh, I forgot what I was saying. I'm all over the place. I'm just happy to be on the bike while I'm on break, baby. shit. Okay, I need to stop practicing wheelies until I get a crash cage in. That bitch came up way too fast. Woo. Oh, also, I haven't uploaded this yet, but I did a couple more mods to the R7 that you guys haven't seen yet. But I will show you guys that after I get gas and myself an energy drink, so I'll be right back. Alright, I think we're recording. Yes, sir. So, this dude's cool as shit, by the way, talking about my bike for the past 10 minutes. But anyways, we're back. This is the modifications. As you can see, I've got a way better fender delete on there now. Got the wrap. Got the flush turn signals. She's coming along nicely. I got stunt cages on the way too, so I need to stop practicing wheelies until those come in. But anyways, let's get back on there. Sorry if I'm breathing heavy, guys. I don't know why I'm out of breath right now. It's just a little toasty with this jacket and helmet on, I guess. So yeah, I was in the gas station, and that dude right there at the front was like, "I seen your well come up." I was like, "Yeah, man, I didn't mean for it to come up that high." He was telling me about the kind of bikes he used to ride in India. Real cool dude. Shout out to whatever gas station that is. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, sorry again, guys. I know this is gonna be a really boring video. I just kind of wanted to get out on the bike. It's been a few weeks since I've uploaded, and I was fiending to ride the bike, and it is absolutely beautiful out here. I don't even know if the camera does justice, but it's amazing. Oh, there we go, baby. Now that breeze. Yeah, that breeze is feeling good. So yeah, I'm located out here in Colorado. I work in Golden, but I live elsewhere. But if any of my viewers, I know I've ran into a few of you guys. If any of you guys are located out here in Colorado, let's link up. Let's get some work done. Let's ride. Oh, I just can't get enough, man. I shouldn't really even be going back to work, man. I just want to stay out here and ride. It is way too nice out here. Just can't get enough, man. Yeah, look at those new turn signals, baby. I don't know if you can see that, but they're nice and flush compared. Oh, I was gonna say the left one's not going. My dumbass isn't blinking the left one. Yeah, really nice and bright. Wasn't too bad to install. By about an hour. I'm not the most mechanically inclined person though. See, when I don't give it, yeah, I mean, I have a problem not giving it enough gas on my wheelies. That's my problem. But I can get them up, so practice makes perfect, right? Now I'm all scared to do it though. I'm scared to give it too much beans, considering what happened back there. I didn't mean for it to come up that high. It might not have even been that high, to be honest. Some of you guys might watch it and be like, "What the hell is he talking about?" But it felt high as shit to me, considering I don't really wheelie this thing too much. But I'm just glad I didn't loop it. Holy shit, this light actually registered me. I work a swing shift. I have to run this light like every night because I don't weigh enough to trigger the sensors. And there's no car behind me. I'm surprised it actually went off this time. Let's try one more little baby clutch up wheelie for you guys. A little something, something, not much. Let's try one more. I think, yeah, I got so much I gotta work on. I think I'm like, as soon as I'm bringing it up, I'm leaning too far forward. So I gotta tell myself to keep the weight back. But yeah, guys, that's oh, they're just so scary, but I love it. I love it so much. I'll show you guys the homie's bike real quick. He just picked up a beautiful FZ07. Been telling this dude to get a bike for months, and he finally did it. Look at that thing. Woo-wee. Thing's clean. Give me a second here. I gotta park it perfect, you know. But yeah, again, in case I didn't show enough at the gas station, this is it. I got the YZF R7 stickers on there now. Got the Womatech sliders, but I'm gonna be replacing this with a stunt cage here soon. And yeah, that's about it. Sorry if the video wasn't too entertaining for you guys today, but hopefully now that I got the mic working again and figured out what my issue was, I should have some more consistent uploads. But I will say this, I do not know how to edit or anything, so my videos are gonna be boring for a little bit until I learn all that. But anyways, I'm gonna get back in here to work. Never mind, I need to grab my hat. You guys have yourself a great rest of your night, and until the next video, peace out.